So we all know कि AI के use से it is like helping us a lot, but I think with the recent use of AI, candidates जितना confident होते थे interviews में, now they are not much confident and they are relying on the AI. So I'll just share your experience. Recently, I was just taking an interview for a candidate, right? And the candidate was actually appears to be confident, right? And candidate solved the problem like I asked the problem which can be solved in multiple approaches, and like you have to go from like some optimized approach and you try to optimize in some kind of big of n time complexity, right? The candidate started with kind of n square and log n, right? But the problem is candidate was not able to dry run the approach. Candidate was able to just write the code without any compilation error, and that's where I felt कि यार कुछ तो गड़बड़ है. So what I thought is कि I started asking a couple of more conceptual questions, like if you're using hash map, right? If you're using tree map, so why tree map, right? What's the use? How the internally tree map is implemented? Or candidate was not able to actually tell the basic implementation, the internal implementation of these tree maps, and candidate was using these in the interview, right? So that's the point where I actually felt that there is something wrong here. Then I started asking some more in-depth questions which is related to data structures instead of focusing only on the coding part, right? Then when I asked candidate about the optimization part, candidate was able to come up with the optimized code actually. But when I asked to do the dry run, candidate again stuck at the same point. So I feel it's good to take the help of AI in learning, but not to take help of AI in giving the interviews.